On rare occasion, you'll find just that home that is truly special, truly unique, and truly one of a kind. This charming brick rancher in the desirable Skyway neighborhood of Colorado Springs is just that home. Skyway is known for timeless character, thoughtful upgrades, and an incredible outdoor lifestyle where it all comes together. Upon entering the home, you immediately feel the warmth, the charm, and the inviting nature of it. I love the original hardwood floors that flow throughout the home. This front room is so cozy. There's an abundance of light that welcomes you, and there's a charming fireplace that's the anchor of the room. The kitchen has been tastefully updated and renovated while maintaining its original charm. I love the shaker cabinets, and look at these gorgeous countertops. There's a movable island in the center, and there's even counter seating. It's a perfect area for family and friends, and it flows so seamlessly into this formal dining room. The primary suite offers a peaceful retreat with a very spacious bedroom and walk-in closet. This is rare to find in homes of this era. The bathroom has been beautifully renovated. Enjoy double vanities, a heated tile floor, and elegant finishes like Peruvian walnut custom handles. This creates a spa-like experience you'll appreciate each and every morning. The second bedroom is on the opposite side of the home from the primary suite. There's beautiful windows offering a gorgeous view of the backyard. Now, the landscaping and yard makes this home even more extraordinary. The landscaping was designed by a horticulturist, and it is recognized as a certified National Wildlife Federation habitat. That means this isn't just a yard. It's a living, breathing sanctuary that is committed to sustainably providing essential elements of food, water, and cover for wildlife. Imagine enjoying morning coffee surrounded by songbirds, and evenings watching the Colorado sunset and hearing the bells from nearby Will Rogers Shrine. This is what Colorado living is all about, and here's something that is truly unique. There are 2 incredible climate-controlled custom workshops and a large shed for even more functionality. Whether you're an artist, a hobbyist, need a home office, or want a true he shed or she shed, this gives you flexibility that is incredibly rare in this price point and in this neighborhood. Skyway is one of those neighborhoods people fall in love with and never want to leave. You're tucked right at the base of the Rocky Mountains, surrounded by natural beauty, yet just minutes to everything. Bear Creek Park, Cheyenne Canyon, Garden of the Gods, the Broadmoor, Ivy Wild, and downtown, and you're also in award-winning School District 12. It's that perfect blend of peaceful, established charm and everyday convenience. And what I love most about this home is how it lives and what it offers. It's not the biggest home in Skyway, but it may be one of the most intentional, the most thoughtfully designed, and the most special. If you're looking for something that feels different, something with heart, character, and connection to nature, this may be just the home for you.